This building is a miracle.
This has been a project that's been near and dear to ACDE's heart.
It has been a long journey and a long time coming.
The journey began right after Harvey, and when the original Coolwood building sustained flood damage.
Just from the challenges of actually acquiring the land, which was a great partnership between Houston Parks and Harris County Department of Education, to us actually having the opportunity to apply for the funds, which was like in 2018-19.
Summer of 2024, we did an interview where I say, we're 99% done with the building, and Hurricane Beryl hits, and it tears the roof off the school and floods the school. Fast forward 6 months later, and we're ready to open the school. This is not what we do or how we do it, but this is the circumstances we were dealt.
It kind of made me feel a little some kind of way just even thinking about it. I think this is going to be one of the most monumental things in my career of early care and education. I don't think I've ever been a part of something like this that makes me this proud to be in early care and education, to be a part of Harris County Department of Education.
We are so excited for the kids to start. They can't wait to be here. And so I've met a lot of the kids. They're so excited. We've talked about the school.
It means a lot. This is so great for all the community, all the people that, really need this. And it's like all of us could come to one now, so it's really good. We just can't wait.
The facility is really nice. The classrooms are beautiful. It's great that they have a playground now to play in, so it's beautiful now.
This miracle that is finally coming to fruition is going to be a great gift to this community and the children of this area.